Hello everyone and welcome back to the Shabby Doll House. My name is Laura. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a design team project to share with you all for Crafting Me Shop. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I've been working on these. I actually wasn't planning on sharing these right now until December, but I don't know, something's just telling me go ahead and do it. So I love how they turned out and I just can't wait to share them with you. So I made these beautiful ornaments, and I purchased these a couple of months ago, and I knew I wanted to make a project with them. I just wasn't sure what I was going to do. But I saw these beautiful appliques that Esme was selling at Crafting Me Shop. And so I got a bunch of them. I thought they would be perfect for these ornaments, and they are, because look how pretty that looks on there. So I started out with some satin. This is from my own stash, but I also have this one from her shop. It's like a dark champagne color, and I used that one on the ones with the angels, and I used the lighter color on the ones with the cameos. So these molds I actually made myself, and I used this mold here from Frank Garcia and this cameo one. So this is what they look like after you paint them. So I took a whole day and just made a bunch of these and then painted them. Then the next day I started making the bows and everything. And this is how they turned out. I think they're absolutely beautiful. So I started covering them with satin first, then lace. And then I started adding all of my trims on here. And then I added my applique and bow, and then the top last. So I'm going to have a quick little tutorial for you. So these are time consuming. I know that the video is really short, but these took me forever, y'all. So because I just wanted to make them perfect. I know they're not perfect, but I just wanted to make them good. So I hope that you like these. I think they would make a beautiful gift to someone for Christmas, or just to make for yourself. I'm not even keeping any for myself, but they will be listed in my Etsy shop, and they will come in a set of two. You'll get one with a cameo and one with the angel, and this is how they will be packaged. They're going to be in an organza bag with a beautiful tag that I had made. So stay tuned for the little tutorial, and I will have the link down below for my shop as well as Esme's Facebook group. And if you're interested in her laces, go on over to her Facebook group and answer the group questions. If you don't answer the questions, you won't be able to go into the group, so make sure that you do that. It's very important. So I hope that y'all enjoy this tutorial and you like what I have made. Please let me know down in the comments if you like it and if you will give it a try. So I hope that y'all enjoy it, and thanks so much for watching. Bye, y'all.